In this video, we will discuss the differences between full Lucidchart licenses and view and comment only licenses, as well as how they can benefit your organization. As you probably already know, a paid Lucidchart license enables your users to build out diagrams, share their documents with other Lucidchart users, and ultimately take full advantage of all the features that Lucidchart provides. With your enterprise account, you also have an unlimited number of view and comment only licenses. View and comment only licenses are designed to help your entire organization collaborate with each other's Lucidchart diagrams at the appropriate level. Since many of your users may not need to actually build out and edit diagrams, but they do need to see the various diagrams that are being created and shared with them, view-only licenses enable you to give them access without potentially underutilizing a full license. This is great because it can ensure that everybody across the organization can collaborate with each other, and you can ensure that you're providing the right licenses to the right users. This greatly helps with the administration of your account because it is common to get license requests from users, but they may not need full access, nor have they been granted a view-only or comment-only account. In the case that one of your users needs full access to make edits or create their own documents, they can request access from their view-only account, helping you narrow down the number of users who actually need license accounts and the number of requests you're getting from users that may be confused on their ability to view a document from a view or comment only account. Now, let's show how you can actually set up view and comment only licenses on your account. First, let's log into Lucidchart as an admin and head over into the admin portal. Then go ahead and click on the licensing tile. One of the things we need to be aware of as we're creating view only accounts is this first option of when a new user joins the team. You have two options of automatically grant a license or do not automatically grant a license. As you're adding users, if automatically grant a license is selected, it is going to give them a full account. However, if you check do not automatically grant a license and then add a user to your account, it's going to give them a view and comment only account. So for now, let's go ahead and check this do not automatically grant licenses, come down and click Save Changes, and then we can navigate to our user panel. From here, just as you normally would, go ahead and hit plus user, and then add the users that you want to give view only access to. It is important to note that if you want to provide fully licensed accounts in the future to other users, you will need to toggle that back. So a best practice in this case is to allocate all of the licenses that you need to allocate first, and then toggle that to do not automatically grant and provide those view-only accounts to the rest of the team. Now, if you have a SAML and SCIM integration with something like Okta or OneLogin, it actually makes this process extremely easy. For example, with Okta, we can log into our admin panel and set up a couple of groups in our directory. One of those groups can be a fully licensed user group, the other can be a view and comment only group. From there, you can assign the people to each group that need access to the varying levels of Lucidchart licenses. And then also you can provision and deprovision them directly from Okta. So, to sum up, view and comment only licenses are great for giving to the rest of the organization that don't need full access to a Lucidchart account. That way you can ensure that as documents are being shared across the organization, everybody can view those and work together as one team and leverage the collaboration tools that Lucidchart is providing to your organization. If you need any help on anything that we've discussed in this video, like setting up the view-only accounts or some of the integrations like Okta or OneLogin, definitely get in touch with our support team or with your customer success manager, and we'll make sure to help you out.